All right, good morning, shadows. You can see I've taken to the bag in the front. I vowed I would never, but it just makes it easier to walk. We are on our trek to the bus station. I mean, not the bus station, the train station. Sorry, I consider taking a bus. And I'm gonna be a little early because the hostel had a really early checkout time. Whatever, I was up anyway. But we are headed to Sibiu, and I hope I'm saying that right. We'll figure out once I get there. My time in Romania is I've got about a little less than 2 weeks left. It went so quick. All right, guys, it's hard to walk and do this, so I'm gonna put you guys up and we'll talk again when we get to the train station. See you in a bit. All right, guys, so I got to the train station. I almost took a bus, but it was full, so back to the train station idea. I've got about an hour and 30 minutes to kind of chill and wait, and then, like I said before, we'll be on our way to Sibiu. Welcome to a gloomy day in Sibiu. It seems like the weather is following me. Sorry? Sorry, I thought somebody was talking to me. So we're going to tour around the city today. I'm going to show you some cool things to check out in Sibiu. It is raining, so I don't know what exactly we're going to get to. But first, we're going to start our morning off right. And that means heading down to this bakery and having myself, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, a kofugi cuisine, which basically is like a pretzel with cherries in the middle. It's amazing and a good way to start your breakfast. So let's do this. Guys, so I got my treasure. We're gonna go head down to this really cool park I saw yesterday. Chill, eat it. Hopefully let the rain subside just a hair, because I don't have enough hands to have my umbrella too. So yeah, looks like an alarm is going off. Fun, fun, fun. All right, guys, take a look at this walk. My spot to kind of have my breakfast. This is what it looks like. I've kind of already torn into it just so you can see like the center. So it's like a pretzel with the cherry filling in it, and it is absolutely amazing. So I'm going to eat my food and we'll catch you on the flip side of the kovrigi. All right, and then we'll head that away. Cool? All right. Roman Orthodox Church. It was built between 1902 and 1906, I think is what it said. Really beautiful, right? The churches in Europe are absolutely amazing. So you'll be seeing way more of them. But right now, we're moving on.